wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's Zurich Invest Night here in Zurich, of course. And we want to do the first interview here with Alexandria Minerals. And Eric Owens, the president and CEO, is my interview partner. Eric, welcome in Zurich.
Thank you, Duncan.
Thanks for taking the time. Alexandria Minerals, maybe you give us a short idea, 2-3 sentences. Where are you working for? Where are you?
Yes, so we're a junior Canadian gold exploration company. We're not a mining company. We're focused in Val-d'Or, Quebec, one of the world's premier mining districts. And we're currently exploring, and we've discovered about 2.5 million ounces of gold on our property packages, and we intend to continue to build on those numbers.
Fantastic. So when you say you are exploring, what milestones have you achieved this year, 2016? I think you ran a drill campaign also, right?
Yes, we did. So recently, the last couple of months, since midsummer actually, we started on a program a 2,500 meter program, testing for triangle zone-like targets adjacent to Integra Gold's Triangle deposit. And then we recently finished a 4,000 meter program on our Oronata project, which is another gold target.
Okay, and you were satisfied with the things you saw so far in the course?
They're all exciting. I'm a geologist, so everything's exciting about these things. But the triangle zone targets that we tested hit the right geology, so that was really good and encouraging because it was the very first pass drill program. The area is covered by boreal forest and glacial overburden, so you can't get any hints of the geology there. So it was good technical success, and we are planning a follow-up program on that one. The recently completed program at Oronata has also been a success. We don't have any assays back yet, so we're still waiting eagerly for those. The core looks pretty good. It is part of a project where we have 43-101 resources already, so we know a bit more about this project, but we're reevaluating the role of high-grade veins in it. So that's enough said probably on that at this point in time.
Yeah, fantastic. And of course you have enough money in the bank, I guess, because you did, I think, 1 or 2 financings this year, right?
Yep, we did. So we completed a $5 million financing in the summer, and 7 months prior we completed another $1.5 to $2 million financing, which was principally with Sandstorm and Agnico Eagle. One of our big partners is Agnico, as you know.
Yeah, that's right. I saw that in the presentation. You work with Agnico Eagle. I think IAM Gold is also in the boat, right? And Kinross, is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not Kinross.
Sorry, not Kinross.
Teck.
Yeah, Teck. Sorry, Teck it was. And I think with such strong partners, I mean, those are very successful companies. They should know what they do. So when you have them as a partner, I think it's a strong commitment for you and also a big thing of trust, right?
Correct. They do, you're always having to continually prove trustworthiness in this line of business and any business like this. But we continue to do so, especially with Agnico Eagle. We have a particularly close relationship, not only physically. Their office in Toronto is right down the street from our office, and their Goldex facility in Val-d'Or is right across the street from our Val-d'Or exploration office. So it's kind of fun, coincidental actually, but fun. We meet with them probably quarterly to bring them up to date as to what we're doing and their game. We do that because we want to keep them as a partner. So we're big on relationships and trying to maintain these relationships.
Absolutely. And maybe can you give us an idea how the relationship works? Because I think I saw also in your presentation that you did a deal with Agnico with one property. You sold it to them and you retained a 2% NSR, right? So I think this is a fantastic model, to, let's say, keep drilling, keep it going, get the money, but work with the partner and still have the upside in the future, right?
Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's part of why we sort of located ourselves in a place like Val-d'Or in the first place, because there's room to discover a big gold deposit there, which we're working on. There's also room to capitalize on the smaller discoveries until you get to that big resource. So our relationship with Agnico is principally a professional one. They are a 10% stakeholder in Alexandria Minerals. Plus this property that we also sold them, the West Zone, which is in the middle of our big property package in Val-d'Or, we retain a 2% NSR on this. It was a cheap discovery. We drilled like 10 holes in this back in 2012. We did a quickie resource, and then Agnico got interested, and they're looking for feed for their Goldex facility. And then they decided to buy it from us for $5 million plus the 2% NSR. So
which helped you to finance, of course.
So it was a good little success story for our model.
Yeah.
and for Alexandria as well, important shareholders.
Yeah, let's talk a bit more about your model, because I think you have very, very low costs for discovery. I saw $16 all up per ounce, and the West Zone I think was 69 cents, which is
Yeah, it's
sounds
kinda
like
stupid.
nothing. Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is crazy. What are you doing different to others, or what is the difference your company is doing that you have such low costs?
Yeah, we try to put as much money into the ground as possible. We like drilling, and drilling is what we like to do, but we also approach it fairly cautiously, but creatively, but diligently, and we're persistent. So when we discovered the West Zone, for instance, we just took a logical approach because, as you know, we can't see any outcrop in the area, so we had to just use logic and common sense, and we stepped out from our known gold resources out of Casaba and did a logical approach, and we did ultimately discover this. 69 cents an ounce discovery cost.
That's crazy.
All up.
Yeah.
And then, as you noted, overall, for all the resources we've gotten, discovered and or acquired, because we acquired Mergor Resources, another junior mining exploration company, in 2015. We acquired about 1 million ounces of gold there at a cost of, we worked it out to about a value of $3.50 an ounce.
That's also really cheap. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're looking for opportunities, and it's been a bad market, as you know, and for the last
take advantage of it. No problem.
And so it's a buyer's market.
Yeah, exactly. Let's come to the future. 2016 is almost close. In 7 weeks is Christmas. What do you want to achieve in 2017? What are your big goals?
Yeah, as you know, we've assembled a resource, bunch of current resources at our property package in Val-d'Or. We want to continue building on those resources, and where we're focused in right now on Oronata, the drill program that we've just finished up, and we're waiting assays on this. We want to rework the resources on that, the existing resources. We want to determine what the role of the high-grade veins in this deposit, which was typically looked at as a low-grade deposit. And we've discovered these high-grade veins, and we want to now see if we can grow the deposit with the high-grade veins and improve the grade of the deposit as well. So that's our goal. So we anticipate a new updated resource estimate by the end of 2017. We anticipate ramping up drilling, partly with the money we have in place already, to keep the news flow going while we aim for that goal of increasing the resources at Oronata.
Fantastic. And you have enough money in the bank, right, for next year?
Yeah, we have
That's all good.
$2.5 to $3 million in cash and current resources. So we're doing well so far.
Great, fantastic. Eric, then I wish you all the best for that, and we look forward to some good news from you, and I would say keep it drilling.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, it was Eric Owens, the president and CEO of Alexandria Minerals. And yeah, well, you heard it. Fantastic junior mining exploration company working in Canada, in Val-d'Or, in Quebec, in Manitoba also, and have already established a very nice resource of overall over 2.5 million ounces of gold. And yeah, big partners like Teck, like Agnico Eagle holds 10% of the company. And I think that's exactly what you want to have in those markets. Strong partners who support you, who work with you, who guide you also maybe from time to time, and yeah, who listens to you and help you. And yeah, the drills are turning. 2017, there will be a new resource estimate. Check it out. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.